I'm so tired of cleaning the floors with my pets running around. There is always hair everywhere and mopping is just a hassle.
I totally get that. You should try the Rop-Vacnik Robot Vacuum Mop Combo. It features powerful 4000 PA suction and advanced mopping technology that makes cleaning a breeze.
Really? Does it work for pet hair?
Absolutely. It has a large capacity water tank and customizable water adjustment made to tackle stubborn dirt and pet messes. Plus, it never gets entangled.
That sounds like a dream. How long does the battery last?
It has a long battery life, perfect for busy homeowners like you. With its smart features, it is a must-have. You can get it now for just $149.99.
I'm definitely checking it out.